The White Rodgers Mobile App brings on-the-go access to cross-reference and product replacement information for OEM, competitive, and White Rodgers products. The app is available on the Apple Store as well as Google Play. The Search by Part Number tab will bring up replacement options for OEM and competitive part numbers. From this screen, you can select a replacement part to see more information, spec sheets, manuals, and installation videos. As well, you can compare the search results to see a side-by-side list of each specification. Search by feature shows product listings for thermostats, furnace controls, gas valves, and igniters. This can be useful as a quick reference guide for these products. Clicking Product Specs will also show more information. The OEM tab is sorted by manufacturer. You can also find specific models here. Clicking in will show the White Rodgers replacement options that are compatible with this part. The White Rodgers mobile app is just one tool available. There is also the White Rodgers Connect app, which is designed for technicians. The Connect app enables pre-configuration and diagnostics for their universal control modules. You can learn more in the video linked below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.